exponents in scientific notation, we're going to take a look at performing multiplying and division on numbers that are written in scientific notation. And how we go about calculating that is we're going to treat them as separate parts. We're going to look at the base 10 numbers, and we're going to just use exponent rules with the base 10 numbers. So when we have multiplying, we're going to add them. When we have division, we're going to subtract them. Then with the numbers that are in front of the base 10 numbers, what we're going to do is do whatever operation is there. So in this instance here, we're going to be multiplying those numbers. Here we're going to be dividing those numbers. So let's take a look and do a couple examples. So here we have this one. So again, this is a multiplication problem, so we're going to multiply these first numbers. So 5 times 7 is 35. And we're going to treat the base 10 with exponent rules. So since we're multiplying, 6 plus 3 is 9. Now this one is not in scientific notation. The decimal is back here. We need the decimal to be in between the 3 and the 5. So we need to rewrite this. Now, when we notice that we move it 1 over to the left, we're going to have to add 1 up here. So we're going to end up with 3.5 times 10 to the 10th power. That's written accurately. Let's try one more when we're multiplying. Again, we're going to take these numbers in front, 1.1 times 3, and that will give us 3.3 times base 10. We're going to keep that base 10, and we're going to take these exponents of negative 2 and 5, and we're going to add them together, and we're going to get 3. So we get 3.3 times 10 to the third. Let's take a look at a division problem very quickly here. And here we have 4.2 times 10 to the fifth divided by 2.1 times 10 squared. We have to take that 4.2 and divide it by 2.1. Move the decimal over, times 2 will get us even, so we know that that's going to be 2. And again, we're going to follow our exponent rules with our base 10. 5 minus 2 is 3. And that will be our final answer. So hopefully that gives you a quick idea of how to work with scientific notation and multiplying and dividing them.